Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go back to the Fisherman Island quickly and fish it game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I'm on the esoteric island and I'm going to go back to the Fisherman Island immediately guys without using my boat because it will take a longer time if we use our boat. So here I'm going to show you the trick. So you just need to go to this menu and then you can select respawn. You can select respawn and you will immediately go back to the Fisherman Island. Let me click on reset and let's see what will happen. Okay, as you can see guys, I have been already back to the Fisherman Island without using my boat. And my boat is still there on the on the esoteric island. And I'm going to get back my boat. We just need to click on the spawn. Okay, done. Alright guys, and that's how we can go back to the Fisherman Island quickly and fish it game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!